Well, there are several different answers to that. One is that it may be God sees it as very appropriate to have free creatures at some stage, but not necessarily free creatures at every stage. Just as there are some creatures that are free and some aren't, with respect to those that are free, maybe the right way to do this, God thinks, and if God thinks it, then it's true, is to have them be free at one stage but not at another. So Augustine thought that that in heaven we would not any longer be able to sin. Another way to look at it, though, is that God has knowledge of counterfactuals of freedom. He knows what various creatures would do if free in various different circumstances. Maybe he created those whom he knew were such that once they got to heaven would not sin, could, okay, but wouldn't. So that's another possibility. There's no reason at all to think that if God wanted to have free creatures now, they'd have to be free creatures forever, and there's no reason to think that if he created free creatures who do, in fact, do sin, that they would also sin in heaven. Well, I think so. Maybe they would, maybe they wouldn't, as far as just sort of the logic of it goes.